Hazrat Buraida Aslami bequeathed to fix 2 twigs on his grave. Hazrat Ibn Umar, seeing a tent on Hazrat Abdul Rahman's grave, said, "Son, remove it. The deeds will shed him." Hazrat Kharija bin Zaid said, "I saw in Hazrat Usman times when we were young that person amongst us was considered a long jumper who would jump over Hazrat Usman bin Maz'un grave." Usman bin Hakim said, "Hazrat Kharija held my hand and seated me on a grave and told me, referring to his uncle Yazid bin Thabit, that it had been disliked to urinate on it." And Nafi reports that Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu would sit on graves. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by 2 graves, which the dead in the graves were being tormented. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "They are being tormented not for any mortal sin. One of them was not cautious of the droplets of urine, while the other would backbite." Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam took a green twig, split that into 2, then fixed each of them on every grave. The people said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why did you do so?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Perhaps the torment will be assuaged until they get dried." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1361.